Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up pictures on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. So once you're here, what you want to do is to click on the plus sign here, and then you want to go ahead and click on templates. Alright, so here I'm going to show you 4 templates that you can use to speed up pictures on TikTok. And the first one is going to be Gallery of Love. So what you want to do is to navigate to where it is by scroll to the right, looking for Gallery of Love. All right, so this is Gallery of Love, and you can actually use this template to speed up pictures on TikTok. The next one is going to be TikTok Travel. This is TikTok Travel, and it is very fast as well. All right, so you want to stick to the end so I can show you the fastest template, okay? All right, let's move to the next one. I'm going to show you Capture the Moment, which is the next template here. All right, this is Capture the Moment, and you can actually use this to also speed up pictures on TikTok. I'm going to show you the last one, which is by far the fastest template here on TikTok, and it is called Holiday Switch. This is by far the fastest template here on my TikTok. By the way, if you don't find this particular template in your TikTok application, you want to scroll and observe until you can find a template that you really like, okay? And that way you can go ahead and use it. So looking at Holiday Switch here, you can see you can upload up to 18 photos right there. And to actually add photos, what you need to do is to click on select photos right here. You want to go ahead and add photos. Just click on the circles and not on the pictures. All right, so once you're good to go, what you want to do is to click on OK. You can see I've added just 2 photos. You can add up to 18 with this particular template. So once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on OK, and it's going to process the videos, and you get a chance to preview how it looks like, okay? So once you're satisfied, you want to click on next and post the template on your TikTok application. Guys, this is how to speed up pictures on TikTok. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.